What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, everybody? It's your girl A, and we're about to do a SHEIN try on today. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are having like an amazing day. I'm doing great. It's just so humid outside right now. It is monsoon season here in Arizona, so it's gonna rain a lot, or maybe a little bit of a lot, not too much. Like, I don't know, the first year I lived here, it rained a lot. As the years dwindled on, it doesn't seem like it rains so much in monsoon season. But I will tell y'all this, it is so humid outside. Y'all know Arizona has dry heat. So when it's humid, it's like a shock. Once you move to somewhere where they have dry heat and then you get like a couple days of humidity, or you go somewhere where it's humid, girl, it feels so hot and sticky outside. So yes, girl. But what's up, y'all? Thank you for coming back. We're gonna do this try on. Y'all know I love SHEIN. And if you already know, this video is being sponsored by SHEIN, where you can get the best of the best of the best for less. They have coupons, they have free shipping for items, they have so much, from shoes to accessories to home decor to pet stuff to clothing. Girl, listen, if you have never shopped on SHEIN, here is your chance, because I will list the items that I've tried on in this try on down below, along with that a coupon code. And if you find some boutiques on SHEIN that you really, really love, make sure you follow them, so that way every time that they drop something new, like a sale, a clearance, a new item, you'll be in the notifications and you'll get the notice. And on that note, let's get into this video. So the first thing that I want to start off with is this two-piece brown short set. I have never been like the hugest brown clothing wearer, but I really did like this two-piece. Now here's the thing about this brown two-piece. I did get it in a 3X only because the bottoms had to be bigger. You know, I have a bigger bottom, so I definitely needed to get the 3X, and they fit just right, perfectly on me. However, the top was a little bit too big, especially in the back area. It was kind of like gapping or slouching. So I'll have to take the sides in just a little bit so that it could fit a little more. It's just easy. It'll take me probably like no more than 10 minutes to take the sides in. But I did like the fact that it has like the wide shoulder, you know, straps. So that way your bra isn't showing or anything like that. It's a nice fabric, girl. Y'all know I'll be a real stickler when it comes to fabric, but I actually do like this fabric. It's soft. It's not like that polyester kind of fabric where you know your butt is going to sweat and you're going to get like booty swamp butt. It's not one of those type of fabrics, okay? It almost is, but not is. I really can't explain it, but it's a good fabric. Now, like I said, the top was a little bit too big, so you're definitely going to see my bra in the back. I will definitely be taking this in. It's a cute outfit. I really do like this. It's very summer, and y'all know me, I really don't like to wear shorts that are that short, only because I hate for them to ride up in between my thighs. You can wear like some shapewear and that will stop it, especially if it's like shapewear that, you know, is on your thighs or what have you. So that's probably what I'll have to do for this outfit. But I thought it was so cute. It's very summer-like. It is perfect for those who love something casual, but kind of like not too casual at the same time. Like, I like this. You can go to brunch in this. You can have a great time in this. I love the elastic in it as well. Now, it is missing pockets, and that's okay, because I do have a purse that I paired it with. And the purse that I have is from a company called puretree.ru, formerly known as lilybags.ru. So I thought this bag went so well with the outfit. Super cute. The color in it combo like brought it out. So they do sell designer items like purses, shoes, accessories, clothing. They also do have express shipping. I can't remember if it's free. I'll definitely link their information as well in the description and also pin it in the comments. But they did send me one of their nice designer purses. Now, y'all know I do not do small purses, but sometimes you definitely have to change it up. Y'all see, I'm changing up stuff, right? Like, I'm changing up stuff. I'm being a better person. I'm trying to be a better person. And I'm trying to change it up, because big bags don't always go with the outfit. But girl, listen, I do have a big bag that I can wear this with that brown outfit. So this, like I said, is from a brand called puretree.ru, and they have designer items. So if you're on a budget and you love designer, you can definitely check them out. When I tell you, this is so well made, 100% pure leather, and it is one of the LV Louis Vuitton bags. It does have a removable purse strap, which is so cute. I love the way they made this. I love the fact that it's all leather. It's a beautiful color. It's not pure white. It's like a cream color. But the cool thing about this purse, check this out. You do get another strap, which is an adjustable longer strap, but the best of the best, but damn, you get another purse, okay? So this one is much smaller. You can either switch the straps if you want. I think for this smaller one, I would definitely want this strap on it. But isn't this cute? I thought from the pictures that it was the way it was sitting, it looked like it was like kind of sewn like that, but it's a different purse, a smaller purse. So you get like two 2-for-1. And the cool thing about this one is you can share. If you like sharing, because they do say sharing is caring, and girl, go ahead. But I love this. This is so cute. And you know, I love a nice long strap. For this video, I did keep the shorter strap because I thought it was so nice. Plus, it also did go well with my gold sandals that I had on that I also got from SHEIN. And I thought it brought out the outfit. Now, this is the longer adjustable strap. And the cool thing about this is it adjusts on the side right here where you see the buttons. All you have to do is unsnap it on each side and then just pull on it and you'll have a longer strap, okay? And then you can just secure it right there and your strap is much longer. This is a cute bag. I really like this. Honestly, I didn't know if I was gonna like this so much, but I do. I honestly actually really do. They're both cute. If you're wondering about the size, let me show you. So for the smaller one, I do have the Pro Max iPhone, and this will actually probably just fits. If this phone just fits in this purse. What I would do, I would probably just put like little essential things like maybe some cash or maybe a wallet, a card in a very small wallet, some lip gloss or what have you. And of course, you know, if this is the smaller one, it's definitely going to fit in this one. And you do have a lot more room. In the inside, there is a pocket, as you see right here. It doesn't have a closure, but it's still a pocket and it's still gonna work, girl, okay? And for the smaller one, it does not have a inner pocket. But like I said, it's so cute because it's like a 2-for-1 and great quality. They made this so nice. I love the fact that this is 100% leather. Girl, listen, if you're looking for some great designer style items and you're on a budget, check out puretree.ru. I will link everything down below for you guys so that you can check them out. It also did come with a dust cover or a dust bag, so that way you can just keep it clean. And inside the box, of course, there is the normal items like the paperwork and, you know, things like you would get from a authentic designer website. So if you're into stuff like having this type of stuff, you'll find that inside. I'll link everything down below. I did use this purse in quite a few of my outfits for this try on because I thought it went so good. So next on the list is these really cute pants. I did get them in a 3X because I wanted them to fit baggy. I knew that my thighs and my butt would need a 3X. Now, the only downfall about these pants is it's the fabric. So me personally, right now, I definitely wouldn't wear this only because it's so hot outside here. It's humid. But I did not know that the pants was going to have a tiger on the print. Really cute. It reminds me of like a jungle themed pair of pants. There aren't any pockets in these as well. I do like the bottoms because they have the elastic ankles. And that's the one reason why I got them is I wanted the tapered ankles. I love when my ankles are tapered. I'm not really sure why, but it just depends on the outfit. I do like the fact that the pants have like this banding, so you can definitely control and cover any problem areas that you may have, girl. And I did pair it with this blouse that I also did get from SHEIN. Very nice, very comfortable, cotton material. I thought it went great because of the colors. I did forget that the sleeves were shredded or cut, but it still gave it like a little bit of, you know, razzle dazzle. V-neck, perfect. The t-shirt went great with it. So the next item is these brown pants. The brown pants, this shirt. I did pair these pants with a couple of different shirts and OMG. Okay. Girl, let me tell y'all, ever since I was in high school, I loved wide leg flare pants. It didn't matter if they was bell bottoms. It didn't matter if they was regular pants. I liked them to be super flare. And at times I wasn't able to find that. So I would just make them for myself. You know, thank goodness that I had a mom who taught me how to sew and make clothes. And when I seen these brown ones on SHEIN, girl, I was like, OMG, I gotta have those. I definitely gotta have those. I like the color. I love the fact that they got pockets. Ooh, girl, and they have elastic and a working drawstring. Girl, what more could I ask for? Yes, these pants, the fabric on these pants is bomb, okay? I don't even know how to explain, but it's just bomb. They're very comfortable. The elastic is perfect. The workable drawstring, the pockets, girl, what? Okay, and my little short self loves some wide, super wide flare pants lace. So I decided to pair the pants first with this lace blouse. Now, I don't know what's up with SHEIN, but they got a lot of lace and crochet going on, girl, okay? And who don't love a good crochet and lace type of outfit? I know I do, okay? So first I put this blouse on with it. It's so flowy, so comfortable, so airy, so cutesy. This is so cute. I love the fact that there's lace on the bottom trim and the top, but they did an amazing job with this blouse. Like, I love this blouse. I did tuck it in because I didn't want to look frumpy or sloppy, but I think like the blouse just is so pretty, so just different and just so comfortable and airy. I decided to put on this short sleeve crochet sweater that I got in a size 2X. Look at the design designs and such on the back. Like, this is so pretty, and it complemented the shirt and the pants so well. And then I decided to change the shirt with the pants, and I decided to pair it with this kind of like beige or tan colored sleeveless, very lightweight sweater, if that's what you want to call it. I really can't say that it's sweater material because it's very light knitting material. It's crochet and lace crochet mixed together in one huge ball of fabulous. This is like the cutest tank top ever. You know what I'm saying? It's a tank top, but the fabric is gorgeous. This was so cute. I felt like preppy, business, casual, and I felt put together with these outfits on. Like, seriously, I felt really, really nice wearing these. I absolutely like this a lot. And when I first got it, and I did try to pair it with something else, I was not feeling it. But then once I did tuck the shirt in a little bit, pull it out a little bit, I felt like this went really nice with those camel color pants. I love this tank top, and I also do love the pants. Like, the pants are what's up. Like, I got quite a few outfits out of one pair of pants, which is a plus. You know what I'm saying? Like, the pants are a hit, like all the way a hit. And now, since y'all know I love wide-legged pants, this is probably like my fourth pair of these pants. Super big pockets, okay? They have drawstring legs. The fabric is acceptable. It's definitely not cotton, but because they're so loose, you can definitely get away with them for these pants. I love the fact that the legs have working drawstring, so they only have two pockets, which is these super wide pockets, and I like that. I appreciate that. These are made so nice. These pants you can wear with a variety of things, and I decided to first pair it with this shirt, which was the New York shirt. And honestly, I felt like when I seen the shirt, it's not a shirt, it's supposed to be a dress, but a girl is not wearing that as a dress. I was hoping the fabric was going to be like, you know, regular t-shirt, jersey material fabric. It wasn't. Even though I don't like this fabric for t-shirts, this I will accept because the shirt, because I'm going to call it a shirt dress. The shirt dress is so appealing where the shoulders are showing. Like, y'all know, I don't know what it is about me, but I love for my shoulder to be out. I feel like it makes you look so sexy, so seductive. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it's like a deep off the shoulder, okay? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't the same exact red, and that's what I was going for, but I'm still going to put it on anyway because it looked cute. Let your shoulders out. Okay, boo. At first, I was about to be so like uptight about this outfit. Okay, like I just said, I love baggy pants. I like my pants to be baggy, and I also do like the ankles to be tapered. And so that was the reason why I decided to go for these blue pants. Now, the pocket situation in these are totally different. They have like these big pockets right in the dead smack of the front, which is cool. It's not too bad. The fabric is perfect. I got these in a 3X also, but when I put them on, I was like, why they can't be a little bit longer? Like, I know I'm 5'3", but why they just can't be a little bit longer? Like, I like them to be a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I did get this blue lace, a short sleeve or 3/4 sleeve shirt to go with it. And girl, I don't know who was sewing that day because I felt like it was a little bit off. Then once I tucked it in the front and pulled it out the back and left it a little bit in the front and scooched it out a little bit in the front, I was like, oh, okay. This shirt has possibilities now. You know what I'm saying? It has possibilities. I've never had anything in a blue lace color, and that was the reason why I had wanted this so bad. I thought it went well after I had to situate it, girl. I had to situate it. Like, sometimes you gotta situate stuff, okay? So the next item is this cowgirl dress. Okay, so honestly, I really did think that I was going to be able to wear this with those brown, huge, super flare pants. I had this vision in my head, and then when I put it on, the vision was gone. Like, when I got it, I was like, this is not the vision that I had for this. Like, this is longer than what I thought. I calculated it to be. So it's actually a dress, you know what I'm saying? But the one cool thing about it, it's a very casual dress. What I say, lace and crochet. The sleeves on this, super cute. The fabric, definitely t-shirt fabric. Hello. Why we couldn't get the New York shirt with the same fabric? Hello. I like the fact that it has, you know, lace, crochet lace at the bottom. And I really wanted to incorporate my cowboy boots with it. But girl, I was hot. I just decided I'm gonna just put my little Jesus shoes on, and this is what y'all gonna see for today, okay? But I think the shirt dress is really, really cute, and it's definitely long enough to wear it as a dress. And then the last thing, but not the least, is this short sleeve yellow with periwinkle blue trimming crochet cardigan. I freaking think this is so damn cute. Now, as y'all see, I paired it with my yellow, pale yellow shorts that I got from SHEIN like a few try-ons ago, and I love those shorts. They're so comfortable, but not only are they comfortable, you know, it gives you the illusion of a skirt, but it's a shorts. and I wore them 3 times already since I've gotten them. I wanted to pair it with this. I like the way they made this, and they did a great job. The stitching is perfect. Everything is perfect about this cardigan, and it's very lightweight. It's made exceptionally well, okay? And so for next week's try on that I gotta do, I have those same shorts again, and blue and brown, if I remember correctly. Yes, girl, okay. When you like something, you like it. Cardigan, I love the blue, the hint of blue trimming on it. So nice, very nicely made. And the cool thing about this cardigan, you can wear it any season, you know what I'm saying? Any season, because it's just for accessorizing your outfits with. Like, when I did try to button all the buttons, you can see the gapping in it, and it had nothing to do with the fit of it because it definitely was loose, but I guess it's just because of the knit. So I just decided to leave it open because closing it with those yellow shorts on didn't really look great, but leaving it open did the job. So you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this try on. Your girl gotta go. I will link everything down below for SHEIN. Thank you, SHEIN, for sponsoring this video, the coupon code, and all of the information for all of the items that I've showcased in this try on will be down below, along with pureshri.ru's links and such for my new purse. If you liked items in this, check the description box. Let me know what you think. And if you stayed to the end, please go ahead and give me a purple heart. I love you all. Stay diva and divolicious, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one.